So now we're going to do a steep turn to the left. So we're going to look left and turn left. Remember, when you do a steep turn, you do no actions just apart from turn to 30 degrees. Once you pass 30 degrees, about 1 to 200 RPM maximum, and pull back on the control column ever so slightly and carry out your steep turn at 45 degrees. So looking left, turning left, 3,500 feet. We're going to roll out at this heading, looking left, turning left. No actions, no actions, no actions. 30 degrees, add a little bit of power, a little bit of back pressure. Okay, looking outside on the screws on the nose, keeping it on the horizon. Keeping it on the horizon, cut down a little bit, so you can just pull back a little bit more. Maintaining that, coordinated turn, 45 degrees, holding it there, we're climbing, we can see we're climbing. So just lower the road, nose a little bit, all the way around. All the way around, keep it going. Pull nose up now because we're back to where we want to be. There you go. Coming up to the heading bug. So roll out, power back, pitch forward. And we're at 3,500 feet. Back on our heading bug. We just got a bit of turbulence there from our wake turbulence. Okay, and we're going to do the same again to the right side. Looking right. Turning right. No actions, no actions, no actions. Add a bit of power, pull back gently, 45 degrees, lock, hold. Let nose come down a little bit, maintaining 3,500 feet. 45 degrees, looking outside. It's a VFR maneuver, remember. Looking outside, holding it there. 3,500 feet. 3,500 feet, 45. Maintaining that there. Let nose come down a bit more. Aircraft to the front, no issue. It's a bit more bank. There you go. Coming up to our bug, rolling out, power back. Back in our bug, holding 3,500 feet. Back in our bug.